In this video, I'm going to be doing a vignette. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively MsMe. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I share decorating and home organization tips. Now, if this is your kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump into this video. Today, I am participating in an open invitation collaboration, and this collaboration is entitled the Pink Spring Easter Decor Challenge, and it is hosted by some wonderful YouTube sisters of mine. Antoinette at Decorating Ant's Place is the host. The co-hosts are Shelly at Pretty Inspired Decor with Shelly, and Tammy at the Glam Queen of DIY, and Sue Lee at My Style, My Color. Now, if you're not familiar with any of these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channel along the playlist down below in the description. All they asked us to do in this challenge is to decorate with pink. Be it a tablescape or vignette is your choice. I chose to do a vignette, so I hope you enjoy. I used a pink placemat that I purchased, I think at Big Lots years ago. And here's a little teapot here that used to belong to my mother-in-law. And I have a floating rose candle in the top. On the side here, I have my thrifted white candlesticks holders, and then I included the glass globes. They were left from my wedding reception, and I'm using the light pink candles I picked up at home, and I'm using the other white rabbit with the pink egg, and on top I'm using these flowers that I did in a DIY. I will link in the iCard the video when I made this bush of flowers, and I have them on a 9-inch Dollar Tree vase glued to a Dollar Tree wine glass. Now, I was looking to see how much pink I actually had at home, and I had a little bit more than I thought. So I think the vignette came out rather cute. I wanted it simple, and I wanted the pops of pink, and I think I did really good. I didn't spend anything on this vignette, everything I already had. So please look down below and watch the other participants in the playlist. I'm sure you enjoy the videos as much as I do. Please let me know what you think about my vignette down below. I would love to read your comments. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.